Hey guys, Joe Smith back here again. Little quick follow-up video on changing out the lenses. Joe Smith read the instructions. They got it on their Amazon page, but pretty easy. That just snaps off, and no tools needed. There we go. Those just kind of flip up there. And boom, snaps off, and then you snap the other one back on and flip these back down. So that easy to switch out the lenses on these. Sorry, Joe Smith's phone holder broke on him. Gonna have to get another one. Yeah, I just want to show you real quick and easy, how quick and easy it is to change these out. Joe Smith thought maybe you had to get a little screwdriver and screw them, but nope. Completely toolless. They just flip up, and then you unsnap them, and of course snapping the nose piece in. So really neat idea, really neat concept. Joe Smith ain't never seen nothing like this before, and it was like $16 for the kit. And they say that if you contact the company, they even have extra lenses or different colors, or that you can get replacement lenses. So really cool product. Seems like cool company. So check their stuff out. Look them up on eBay. Amazon. See what other stuff they have. But looks like they got some rifle scopes and sights and gunslings and other camping stuff. So Joe Smith's going to have to probably order some more stuff from them here. But hey, have a good night. Thanks for checking this out. Joe Smith signing out.